Unit 14, Transportation in Plants and Circulation in Animals. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the transportation of water, minerals and food molecules in plants and circulation of blood and its function in animals. Important questions from this lesson are: diffusion, the movement of molecules in liquid and solid from a region of higher concentration to a region of their lower concentration without the utilization of energy is called diffusion. This is a passive process. Osmosis. Osmosis is the movement of solvent or water molecules from the region of higher concentration to the region of lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. Plasmolysis. Plasmolysis occurs when water moves out of the cell and resulting in the shrinkage of the cell membrane away from the cell wall. Imbibition. Imbibition is a type of diffusion in which a solid absorbs water and gets swelled up. Example: absorption of water by seeds and dry grapes. Catation. During humid climate condition, due to root pressure, the excess water is exudated in the form of liquid on the leaves. Example: grass. Cohesion and adhesion are a physical property of water. Cohesion is a force of attraction between the water molecules. Adhesion, the force of attraction between the molecules of different substances. Water molecules stick to a xylem because of force of adhesion. Explain the following. What is transpiration? Write the importance of transpiration and why transpiration is a necessary evil in plants. Explain. Explain the movement of water in plants or ascent of sap and its events or how do plants absorb water. These are same question. Some diagrams for reference. Open and closed stomata. Ascent of sap. Root tip with root hairs. Thank you.